Hi front-end engineers, welcome to JavaScript tutorials. In this section we are going to see about deep copy and shallow copy. We can copy objects from one object to another object. We can copy contents. So there are two things happens. One is deep copy and another one is shallow copy. Let us see in that in detail. Deep copy is one which creates complete copy of the object, holds all the nested objects that is present from the original. The changes we made to the one object will not affect at any cost to the new object. So each of the objects will have different locations. So original is stored in one location and the copy object is stored in different location in the memory. So to create a deep copy, we what need to do? So this is very simple. We need to use json.parse and json.stringify methods. I have an example here. So we have one employee object which has a EID 100, e name is Jack, e address is New York, and e address is salary. So when we are printing this object, so that is before changing, so it will print this particular information EID is equal to 100 like that. So we are creating a new object now, so that is new employee object. So here we are just using the equal operator, so to assign the employee object to new employee object. Instead we are making one correction here, json.parse of json.stringify of employee object. So when we are printing the employee object and the new employee object, you can see in the result the same thing will be printed on both the lines for the employee and the new employee. But after modification, anything what it happens? Let us see this one. Now the new employee object ename is changed to Beck and the new employee object dot salary is changed to 7,000. Now we are printing both the employee object and the new employee object. So now you can see the EID is 100, that is common. The ename is Jack in the original object and Beck in the second object, and the salary is 5,000 in the original object, and the changed new employee object has 7,000. So this is how it is working. Shallow copy. So shallow copy happens when we copy the reference of an object to a new object. That is the same case, employee object and new employee object. When we are copying employee object to the new employee object, that copy will be made to the new employee object. So the top level properties are copied here. All of the arrays and objects inside it is still referencing to the original object only. So when we are changing a new thing in the new copied object, it will be reflected in the original also. So how to create a shallow copy? Just use the equal instead, that is enough. So we have an employee object here. It has EID 102, ename Jack, address New York, and salary as 5,000. So when we are console log the employee object, we can see the same information that we have stored on the above things. Okay, CID as 102, ename as Jack, address New York, same thing. And when we are going to create a shallow copy, we just use the equal operator. I already told you. So let new employee object is equal to employee object. So the employee object, the structure will be copied to the new employee object now. So it will have the same reference. The memory location will be shared, will be from the same location. So where is the employee object stored, the same location will be new employee object also pointed now. So now we are doing a modification here. So we are changing new employee object dot ename as Beck. So when we are trying to print the console.log employee object and new employee object, we can see like the new employee object after the modification, I have changed the name as Beck. So the employee object also got the change here. Both were Beck here. And if you see the original one, so the employee object first is having the name Jack. So a new employee is also having the name Jack. When I change in modification the new employee, that is affecting the old employee object also, because it is referencing to the same memory location. So based on your needs, you can decide which one to use, deep copy or shallow copy. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment to UI UX Talks Front End Techies.